The caravan of migrants has arrived at the southern border, despite all those warnings we've been hearing from the Trump administration, from the Attorney General and everybody else. Brandon Judd is with us, Border Patrol Union President. Brandon, we are told that they're going to be met at the border by a whole bunch of lawyers who will get them across, take their application for asylum, and that's it. They stay. Is that what's going to happen?
It depends on how they do it. If they come to the ports of entry, that's a legal means of claiming asylum. If they cross the border illegally, however, between a port of entry, then I have to take them into custody. But the problem that your viewers need to understand is that when they get here and they claim asylum, we allow them into the United States. We give them a temporary work permit, a temporary permission to be here, and then we expect them to show up to their court date a few years down the road, which they never do. And that's how we know that they're gaming the system.
So you have an idea, I believe, for a massive detention center right on the border, which would take people in, process them, and either allow them to stay when a decision is made or send them back where they came from. You want a massive detention center, right?
Well, it would work. I mean, we got a glimpse in 2017 of what happens with illegal immigration when we say we're going to enforce our laws. We were at 45-year lows, and that was strictly based upon the rhetoric of President Trump. If we followed through, if our agency followed through, if Congress followed through, if we followed through with those promises and that rhetoric, we would still be at that 45-year low. But anytime people can break our laws without fear of consequence, they're going to break those laws. If we put them into detention facilities pending their deportation proceedings, and if they have a right to be here, if they have a legal reason to be here, then after they see a judge and after their case is adjudicated, if we then give them asylum, great. But if they don't show up to their case, they're gaming our laws, they're thumbing our finger at the American public, at our Congress, and it creates mass hysteria, if you will.
Do you think there's any kind of clash coming? I don't know exactly where this I believe that caravan has arrived around Tijuana, which I guess is a legal port of entry. But do you expect any kind of clash between our authorities and the caravan people?
Well, it depends on how we're going to react to what they do. If they put us in a situation where we have to go hands-on, that we have to put handcuffs on and so on and so forth, then we have to do what we have to do. But if they come over here and they do it peacefully, if they go through the port of entry, and there's a couple ports of entry in San Diego, if they go through a port of entry and they calmly present themselves for asylum, then they'll be processed accordingly. But if they break our laws and cross the border illegally at a place other than a port of entry, then we have to take them into custody, and hopefully we can do it peacefully, but we react to what they do.
Got it. Brandon Judd, thanks for joining us, sir. Appreciate it. Very timely today.
Appreciate it.